It is September 15 unto or, and I'm in Coon Rapids making videos of BNSF Trons. And Trons are fucking cool. It's exciting to get videos of Trons. That's the end of the Tron. The Trons in Coon Rapids go by really fast. And you can kind of see the Tron go around like that. That's kind of fucking cool. This is at the Northstar station. They took all the fucking Northstar Trains. Well, there was only a couple during the week, all because of the fucking plandemic. They brought a couple back, but still no Trons on weekends except for stupid fucking sports. But I'm glad at least I got new Tron videos. The first Tron had a lot of cars with JB Hunt that rhymes with cunt, but no JB Hunts that rhyme with cunt in this Tron video. And as always, I'm so glad I have Asperger's because I make the most interesting Tron videos in the world and videos in general. And nobody makes more interesting Tron videos than I do, and the people like my videos. Fuck them, they're not my old friends anyway. There was someone here, and he might have been making videos of Trons, and he left after I got here. I wonder if he knew me or something from my YouTube channel or something. I don't know. I was swearing about something. It wasn't anything vulgar. It was just something that was bothering me, which happens a lot. And people get to see my videos and hear my spoken words of the chosen people, even if they don't like it. And if they don't like it, it means they have a stick up their ass. But it gives them the chance to pull that stick out of their ass. And once that, there's a good chance a bunch of diarrhea will come up, but it's well worth it because once that diarrhea is out, it's kind of like having a colon cleanse and a brain cleanse. And most people need a brain cleanse. And once that diarrhea is out, people have no idea how much happier they're going to be. They're not going to be irritable and uptight and bitchy anymore. But the best part is to learn how to appreciate people like me. As I hope I get lots of Tron videos and videos when I go to Atlanta, but I might not be so lucky.